Hi my lovies and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. When was the last time you saw me do a hair tutorial? Not gonna lie, it's been a hot minute and I've gotten an awful lot of requests for my clip-in hair lipstick on teeth. I've gotten an awful lot of questions on how I clip in my hair extensions because you guys know I have a little short, little tiny baby hair right now. I got my hair extensions taken out before I went to Vietnam, which was about 3 months ago, and I've been wearing clip-ins since, and usually I wear it in a ponytail. But today I'm going to show you guys how I clip in my ponytail and make my little sad tiny little hair go to like a long luscious hair. Before I get into it, today's video is sponsored by Foxy. I want to say a huge shout out to Foxy. Thank you so much for working with me, and you will see how much I loved these hair extensions back in the day and still love them to this day. These extensions match my hair to a T. I haven't found extensions that match my hair this well. These are the shade Latte Blonde and I have used these I think for 4 or 5 years, this actual shade. So I'm so glad to have a new box because I'm going off to Santorini in like less than a week and I need long hair. And I'm just giving my hair a bit of a break from the bond-in extensions because they're just not healthy for my hair. Clip-ins are a much better option. So as you can see, I have the tiniest little ponytail. It's so teeny tiny because my hair is quite short, so I'll let my hair down just to show you its natural length. Now I have baby fine hair. I have lots of hair, like I have tons of hair. I have no bald patches or anything that from bond-in extensions, nothing like that. But I just needed, I needed a break. So I've gone back to my clip-ins, which are much safer. I have to take this jacket off, I'm sweating. They're less harsh on your hair and they're much more versatile. When you get bond-in hair extensions, they're in your hair and that's it. There's no, you know, you can't just take them out if you want. Unless you want to waste your €600 after getting your hair done. Whereas the Foxy hair extensions are much more affordable and you have them for way longer. They last longer than 3 months. They come packaged like this. You have a little part in the bottom and then a bigger part in the top where the majority of the extensions are. But you get your hair like this in this little net and then you take out your hair extensions. These are the softest hair extensions ever. Put them up to your natural hair. As you can see, they match me very well. You just make sure that they match your hair. If there's any issue and the hair extensions don't match your hair, you can return them. Always open this little tester wet, just put it back into the little hair net and then you return the whole entire box. So it just kind of saves on trying to guess your color. If you get the wrong color that you're kind of stuck with it, it doesn't work like that. Foxy is great with the return policy because you have this little weft to test. The box I have here is these Seamless Luxurious and they are the 24-inch. They're really long, but I want something really long. And obviously because I am happy with the hair extensions, I can now open the top part of the Foxy. So it comes with this little seal. Once the seal is still on the box, you can return them. But once you open it, like what I'm going to do now, there is no returning them and no going back. They come in a big like pile like that again with a hairnet around them. And then you get extra clips just in case anything happens to your other clips. There is so much hair in these. I will write down the exact grams on the screen, but they're just so pretty and like long and luscious. So in the extension box that I have, I get 2 single hair wet, 2 double hair wet, 2 triple hair wet, and 2 quadruple hair wet. So there's basically 4 clips on either one of these hair wefts. So that's what you get in the set that I have. They're natural hair, which means you can curl them, straighten them, whatever you want to do with them, brush them, just be good to them. They're like your hair, only treat them a little bit better because obviously your own hair has natural oils and stuff, so you need to kind of look after your hair extensions. Can wash these. I wash mine regularly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I make my luxurious ponytail. First off, I'm going to just brush these hair extensions and I'm going to take my hair straightener and I'm just going to run it over them just to make sure that there's no kinks or anything in the hair. I will be curling these in my hair in a moment, but I'm just going to straighten them first. So that's the great thing about natural hair. You can just like straighten it and take out any kinks or anything from the hair. Foxy come in tons and tons of different lengths, tons of different colors. Obviously I'm going to link down the website down below so you guys can check it out. And the best thing about them is they have an invisible band, so I don't know if you can see that at the top. You can't see the tracks. Obviously if you hide them well in your hair you won't be able to see them anyway, but I've had other hair extensions where you can literally see the tracks on the hair extension, and it's just not a good look at all. Once I straighten my hair extensions, I want to just kind of straighten my own hair. I'm using my GHD as well, just if you're wondering. So I'm just kind of straightening the front of my hair. I'm not going to bother with the back because it's going to be in a ponytail naturally. I was out in Bray at the weekend, and that's kind of where everyone was asking me on my Instagram about doing the ponytail, because you guys knew I took my extensions out, so you kind of wanted to know how I clipped in the ponytail. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do now. First thing you need is a little hair tie like this, like a thin hair tie. My hairdresser would kill me if she knew I was using these little thin hair ties on my hair. What you need to do then is kind of at the tip or the top of your head, so I'll turn around so you can see that from the back. Just going to tie the ponytail around it, or tie the hair tie around your hair until you get another little small ponytail. And this is the best way in order to avoid seeing tracks in your hair. So just kind of like tighten it up there, not too tight. So you have this tiny ponytail at the top of your head. So with my little tiny ponytail at the top, I'm going to go in with your first weft of hair, and I'm taking the 3 weft. And what you're going to do is you are going to clip the middle bit into the top of the ponytail, and then you're going to wrap the other bit around the ponytail. So I hope you can see what I'm doing there. And just make sure you clip it in to secure it. So that is basically how you clip in the hair extension. So I'm going to show you that again from the back. I'm going to clip it into the top, just the middle bit. And then you're going to take the left side and clip it under. And then take the right side and clip it under. So you're left with this big long clip-in hair extension. So I'm going to go back in with another triple hair weft. So I'm just going to turn around again and show you guys. So the last time we went above, now we want to flip all that hair forward that we have in the clip, and we want to go under. So you're going to clip the middle one in again at the base, then take the right one and wrap it onto the top, and then the left one and wrap that around the top as well. So now you're left with an even bigger ponytail. And then finally I take the 4 wefts, and I'm going to do the exact same thing with that as I did with the first 3rd weft. I'm going to take it onto the top, the 2 middle clips either side, so right and left, and then take the other right clip and tuck it under, and everything should just clip nicely into your hair, and you're left with this big ponytail there. I don't know if you guys can see. This doesn't hurt my head or anything like that. It's not sore, it's not heavy, nothing like that. But I'll show you why in a moment that you want to clip it around like that, because basically the rest of your hair will sit on top of the ponytail and kind of cover it and cover the wefts of hair. See, the hair extensions just there, but we've got all this hair to work with and to pull back into the ponytail. Now what you do is you want to tie it into a ponytail like you normally would. So you just pull all the hair back, leave out your little bits that you want, like your fringe or whatever. I just grab all of the hair and bring it into a high ponytail, like all of the hair extensions and your own natural hair, brush it into a ponytail. And because we have made the ponytail in the middle and wrapped all the hair extensions around it, all your own natural hair is going to wrap around that hair extension, and you're not going to be able to see any of the clips. So make sure you brush everything through. Make sure you have a bigger hair tie as well for this, because obviously you've got more hair now. And you want to make the ponytail look as natural as possible. Like for me, this looks like this would be all my natural hair, if that makes any sense. Like I don't have really thick hair, so if you have really thick hair, put all the wefts in, or as many as you want. So you just wrap the hair tie around and pulling the hair through until you are happy, and then you just pull it in place and it will tie the ponytail together. Now, I hate my hair to slick back like this, so what I usually do is I kind of like pull bits of my own natural hair through, and this is great as well because my natural hair is obviously shorter, so it kind of sticks at the top. But I'll just keep pulling my own natural hair through until I have kind of like a little bouffant. You can see how much thicker my ponytail is now. If your hair is as short as mine, like you've seen how short my hair is, my hair's still there, you can still do it. Can't see any of the clips. You can put, like I said, more in if you want to. All you can see is the actual ponytail. It looks like your own natural hair. So now what I do is, because I like, my roots are awful, because I like my hair to be curly, I will usually curl my hair when it is in the ponytail. So I'm going to show you how I do that now. I just sprayed heat protectant on my hair. I don't know where I'm after throwing the bottle of it, but it's just the Tresemme one, and I just sprayed it through my hair just to protect the extensions, because obviously, like I said, you want to treat them like your own hair, if not even better. And then I want to take sections of the hair because I'm going to curl it. So you just want to make sure you take a section about that size, and then you want to go in with your hair tool, your curling tool, whatever you're using, and place it around the hair extension. And you just want to take your little section, leave it for about 30 seconds, and then just let the, oh my, let the curl fall out. So we'll usually hairspray the curls, but I wait till the very, very end. So I'll just curl all of the bits that I want to curl, and then I will just spray the entire ponytail. So just keep going around like that. Just let the hair fall out, and then I just push it to one side. I just love these hair extensions. I've had them for so long. I kind of miss the clip-ins as well, because they're just so convenient, and also they do not damage your hair at all. I've worn clip-ins for so long and they're fine on my hair. There is all my hair extensions curled, and now what you want to do is brush them all through. Brush all the curls out just to make sure that I'm happy with all the curls in my hair. And once I'm happy with my hair extensions and the curls and everything in them, then I will just spritz all of the hair with a bit of hairspray. And that's basically all I do then to get my high ponytail. So you can see it from the side there. I have actual hair, and I'm not damaging my natural hair. Woohoo! Woo! And obviously you play around with the curls and do the curls whatever way you want to. I'm not amazing at doing curls, I'm not gonna lie. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I want to say a huge thank you to Foxy Locks for working with me on this video. I love you guys so much, and to actually get to work with you on a video is just such a pleasure, and just it just feels so good, especially since I've used Foxy Locks for so many years, like the beginning of my channel, and I just still love them to this day, and they're just so soft. I love new hair extensions, and I can't wait to wear these to the wedding in Santorini next week as well. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. I hope you learned something from me. I'm not a pro with hair, but I do know a thing or two about my hair extensions, I guess, because I've had them for so long. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys!